Type hints with user-defined classes. Couldn't seem to find a definitive answer. I want to do a type hint for a function and the type being some custom class that I have defined, called it custom class. And then let's say in some function, call it funca_arg, I have one argument named arg. Would the correct way to type hint funca be? Or would it be?
The former is correct, if arg accepts an instance of custom class. In case you want the class custom class itself, or a subtype, then you should write like it is written in the documentation about typing. A variable annotated with C may accept a value of type C. In contrast, a variable annotated with type C may accept values that are classes themselves. Specifically, it will accept the class object of C. The documentation includes an example with the int class.
Willem van Onsem's answer is of course correct, but I'd like to offer a small update. In PEP 585, type hinting generics were introduced in standard collections. For example, whereas we previously had to say for example, we can now forego the parallel type hierarchy in the typing module and simply say. This feature is available in Python 3.9+, and also in 3.7+ if using from _future_ import annotations. In terms of this specific question, it means that instead of from typing import type, we can now simply annotate classes using the built-in type.